Okay, continue with our project here. We're going to continue with this leg, removing the wood on this leg right here to about the halfway point is what we would really like. Not much more at the moment. There we go. Just kind of taking that off right in there. Now, you're asking, why is the foot raised? Because in this scene, he's going to be stepping up on a log, and the back foot will be back here. So that's why the foot is raised the way it is, in other words. Okay, now, we've almost got it about halfway. Let's not go any further right now. Now, what we want to do is this leg will be over here. So what we have to do is we have to come, as you can see the figure, come to this back here and remove about halfway this leg here. You understand what I'm saying now? In other words, this leg is being removed to come over here. This part of the leg is going to have to be removed to come back here. So, we're going to come over here and we're going to start removing this part of the leg. Just be careful. See what we're doing here? We're removing that part of the leg right there. So this part of the leg will be back over into this area. See what we're doing, looking from the back? See that? Okay. There's a lot of, on this one there is, quite a bit of wood removal at first. But you have to do it. I mean, if you want, a lot of, take your time when you're doing this. Don't get in a hurry. A lot of times you'll see me do things a little bit faster than I expect you to do them. And the reason is because I'm on a time limit. And the videos for YouTube can only be up to 10 minutes long. And of course, as you know, I make quite a few series. Maybe on one carbon. I think on the hand I just did, we did five video series on that. So, in order to not make it too long, I try to not just lollygag, as we may say in Texas and other places in the world. Okay, now you see, we're getting there. Now it's coming out a little bit better. I'm going to remove a little bit more wood off here. Very, very slowly we're getting this down. I'm going to remove some more wood off here. We're getting there. Like I said, just take your time. Maybe I'm removing off a little bit more than what you do at one time, but that's not the deal. The deal is not what is not how fast you remove it, but that it gets removed in time. Okay, we're getting there. We really are. As you can see now, the situation. So, what we're going to start doing, we're going to start farming the legs a little bit now. We're going to start kind of getting, there we go. So you kind of start forming the legs a little bit and then give us a general idea of where we're at. There we go, just like that, in other words. And since we're going to be removing a little bit of wood on this leg so it can be rounded off, that's why you don't want to take a whole lot. You go about halfway on this leg, because when you begin to round it, if you go off too much, when you begin to round it, the leg will be too thin. See? So you only want to go about halfway with it. And then you start kind of rounding the leg off and start shaping it. And you can always remove a little bit more off, but you can't always add on. So, we're starting to shape the knee and the leg in here.